Guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I am going to be showing you my new planner that I've gone with for the year 2019. I have made a change. If you've watched any of my other planner videos, I have always been an Erin Condren girl. And though I still love the Erin Condren, I decided to give this new planner a try. This is the Dayspring planner. I ordered it off of christianbook.com. This is not sponsored, that's just where I got it. I went ahead and chose this this scripture to be on the front for lots of different reasons, but I really liked it. I also like how it has this band that can close it up. This planner was $25 and the Erin Condren is usually $55 or so. So it was a pretty significant savings. And I was a little worried about the quality, but I'm pretty impressed, you guys. So the cover is hard. It's not like plastic or paper. So that's really good. And then throughout the planner, it has these beautiful scripture reminders. They're all different. So like if we look at a different month here, there'll be this one, which I love. So we'll stick with this area here. So every month before it, like when it first starts, so your month tab, you've got this beautiful scripture page here, and then you have a planning little fill-in here, which is new from the Erin Condren, and I love this page. Then you turn it over and you have a month at a glance. So this is the entire month. And then the days are broken down like this. So there are no times, but they do have the check boxes here. And your whole month looks like that, the same layout, which is fine for me. I'll just fill in the times as I need them. And then when you get to the end of the month, you have a reflections page, which I think is brilliant, to reflect on how you did on your goals. And then you also have over here where you can kind of journal. So to me, this is kind of a planner slash journal in one. And then you have your notes section there in the back, and then the next month starts again with another scripture. So this planner is an 18-month planner. So technically I could be using it now because it's September of 2018, but I'm still in my Erin Condren, and that planner doesn't end until December, and I do not want to rewrite everything in here. So I'm just going to pick this one up in January of the new year and work through it. You can see I've already started filling in a few things, but this is the planner that I will be using for 2019. I use this for homeschool. I use this for my work life here on YouTube, as well as other things when I was working at a gym. I use this for my daily to-do list. I will be using this for some Bible journaling and goals and reflections. So I really like the Dayspring planner. The binding is also really nice. And like I said, it was a significant savings as opposed to my Erin Condren. So if you have any questions for me, go ahead and post them down below, but I wanted to give you guys a little peek at my new planner in case you're shopping for a new one for the upcoming year. Let me know what planner you guys like down in the comments below, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.